Welcome back to episode 2 on how to speed up Windows 11, and what we're going to show you now is some paging settings. So the paging system in Windows basically allows you to have a bit of an overflow area on your hard disk, and to access that we need to go into View Advanced System Settings, which will take you to this small panel, and it has items listed underneath it. So if we go on to System Properties and then we click on the Advanced tab at the top, and then we go to the Settings area in Performance. So Performance, Visual Effects, Process Scheduling, Memory Usage and Virtual Memory. So if we click onto that, and if in this Performance Options menu we then click on Advanced, then we go down to the Virtual Memory area, so we can see a paging files an area of the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. So basically if you're running out of RAM, this is the area that it uses at the moment. It's showing that it can use about 10 gigabytes for the total paging file size for all drives. If you then click on the Change button in the virtual memory area, the option that you want to check here is you are able to set it to a custom size, but by keeping automatically manage paging file size for all drives ticked there, you allow Windows to scale up and scale down the paging file size dependent upon the needs of your system. So in this case, the minimum that we're allowed is 16 megabytes. The recommended is just under 3 gigabytes, but we currently are allocated 10 gigabytes. So Windows has decided that more memory available for paging is currently optimal to the system's performance. If you haven't got that checked, then there is every chance that you're actually degrading your system's performance. So make sure you keep that checked. If you change that and that wasn't checked when you come in, make sure you check it, press OK. So it will inform you that the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. So if you have done that, now is a good time to restart your computer. And you can then press OK, OK, and it will ask you to restart now. You can restart now or restart later. Once you restart, you should notice that the system is running faster due to the optimum paging settings. So that is the most you can do to improve your performance on Windows 11 related to your paging settings. Hope that helps. Don't forget to go and check that now. Subscribe for more how to improve Windows 11 speed updates, and we shall see you shortly. Bye.